My God, homies, I've made like 10 net cracking videos in the last couple of days. I haven't gained subscribers and I haven't lost subscribers. But these videos, except for one of them, have been doing hundreds of views. I'm talking about 300, 400, 500 views, you know. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it going, and we're gonna see if I got a crack right here. Ow. Ow, it popped a great deal over there, yeah. Like 4 or 5 pops on this side. My God, my Lord, homie. Till next time, remember, McHenry Cruiser is YouTube. Boom.